Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of your vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching our tutorial, raising your C3 safely, before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. To replace it, start by releasing and removing the upper ball joint of the sway bar links. To do this, take a 16mm spanner and a Torx 30 socket. Stop the rotation of the tie rod with the Torx socket and remove the nut using the spanner. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Remove the nut. Then the sway bar link. Brush and lubricate the location of the link to facilitate its reinstallation. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto website and in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar link axle rod. Remove the lug nuts provided with it. Put the sway bar link back in place. Tighten the nut using a 17mm spanner and a 5mm Allen key. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Tighten the nuts with a Torx spanner. Then, you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Operation completed.